So last night was epic. We had major rain that wouldn't give up, lightning. I had trouble starting a fire. We had to go into town to get some dry wood, more toilet paper. This river's muddy this morning. It kind of makes me sad. It's gonna make situations a little more difficult. I don't know if I want to stay around and fish this all day with it being this muddy. We'll see. We just woke up. It's about 9 o'clock right now. Nicole's on. Oh, that was a nice cut. Good dog. Oh, I had one come out for it. There you go. All right. Hey, first fish of the day is a cutthroat. I will take that compared to yesterday where my last one was. Yeah, I thought originally, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just a cutthroat. I thought originally that little red mark on the other one just must have been a little bit more profound. Pretty sure it was just a cutthroat yesterday. Thought it was a cut bow, but you should get one right there. Don't forget to cast straight up ahead of you. Told ya. Oh no. Huh? I'm sorry. Yeah, it happens. That sucks. Thanks. That wind is not good. There you go. Oh, nice. He's a lot bigger than I thought he was going to be. A lot skinnier water than where we were fishing. It's pretty. Come on over. All right, nice. He's not having it. Oh, oops, that was my bad. Hey, let me touch you. There, he got him now. He's got a nice jaw going. Ooh, that's a nice chubs too. What a nice chubby guy. All right, get a pic of him. I like the chubbiness. Dude's been jowing. Alright, there you go. Nice. Hey, that was a lot better than what I was expecting. That was good looking. Damn, every time I go to cast. Ooh, fish just went up for it. He missed it. Oh, there we go, right underneath the log. Nice. All right. Should be able to get that other one too. Walk over here so I can actually get them. Nice. Oh, all right. It's a beautiful cutty. Not as big as I'm still looking for, but bigger than what I've been catching. Make sure my rod's safe. Try to get a picture of him. If I can find my phone. Oh, nope. He had other plans. All right, cool. Take the cut. A lot better day for cuts for me today. Oh shoot, might have scared the fish. There you go. Brown. Whoa. The stretch is epic. I might just try to toss him up. That's not gonna work the way I... No, that's all good. Dang it. I'll just hurry and make it a quick release. As long as that doesn't fly away. Sorry, fish. Alright, cool. Smallest one yet, by far. Oh, 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 nice. Came out from under that log. Just a brown. I usually like catching browns. There we go. Awesome. I usually like catching browns, but when you're the only one not catching cutthroat, it gets to your head. And poor Nicole down here, she had a snag, pulling it up and broke her off. Worried that I was gonna be upset, but luckily we got some dragon tails. That is super easy to replace. It was kind of funny. I was watching her. I was kind of mean about it because I saw her break it, and I heard as soon as I heard the crunch, I knew it. Ain't my first thinker. Oh, karma!
That's what you get for laughing at me.
Oh no! Footage.
There should be a fish up in that area though.
There you go. It's a nice one, I think. Or he's just got a lot of strength. Yeah, it's just a lot of strength. He's kind of small.
Brown?
Yeah. Oh, maybe I foul hooked him. He definitely went for it originally because he... Yeah. Because I saw him go for it. Yeah, finally. I'll take him even if he's fouled. After the day we've been having. Water's still a little off colored. We thought we'd get looking better. It really hasn't. A little bit better than this morning at least. And then we got discouraged because Nicole broke her rod. She had a lot of difficulties losing flies.
It's
losing
been a
fish.
bad day for me.
Yeah, so we've kind of just been chilling. We'll fish this spot and then we'll go back to the spot we were yesterday just to make sure we hopefully catch fish. I don't know. Oh goodness, this is a death hole. All right, we're gonna call this journey an end. It's been super difficult today. All the normal spots we just went and tried. We caught about 4 here last time. And the time before that, at least 5, 6.
Yeah, because I got 3 last one.
Yeah, and we couldn't get nothing now. We've been going all over. We've had made success, but it's been hard. It's been rough. The color's really off. I just tried to do a streamer through here. I thought that would work, but that didn't really work all too well. But color's really off. It rained all last night, so they just might be set off. We don't have a San Juan worm or nothing. I guess that would have been an idea to try, but
What?
anyways. So thank you guys for watching. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to edit this one. We had a really good day yesterday that was 29 minutes long. Today I feel like we got 5 minutes, so
We'll see.
yeah, we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna throw this. I mean, I guess you would already know by this point, but anyways, thanks you guys for tuning in.
See you guys next time.